Hello everyone. Did you know that there is a cognitive bias named after your favorite Swedish furniture store? That's right, it's called the IKEA Effect, and it will change the way you think about how much you love that piece of furniture you needed to build yourself. So what is the IKEA Effect? The IKEA Effect is the idea that when people create things themselves, they value them more. It got its name from a study where researchers found that when participants assembled a piece of IKEA furniture, they valued it consistently more than the same pre-assembled piece of IKEA furniture. When you consider the time and labor cost associated with products you need to assemble yourself, this doesn't make any sense economically. Why would you pay to assemble a Build-A-Bear stuffed animal or HelloFresh do-it-yourself meal when you can get the already assembled stuffed animal or meal for the same price or cheaper? Researchers conducted multiple studies and found that when people put more of their labor into a product, they love it even more. In one study, participants were told to build origami creations based on a set of instructions and then bid on how much they would pay for their finished origami creations. Then, non-builder participants were asked to bid on professionally made origami creations and then the ones made by the builder participants. The non-builders priced the builders' creations way lower than the professionally made ones, but the builders priced their own origami creations similarly to the professionally made ones. What's important to note about this experiment is that these origami creations were made from the exact same set of instructions. No value was added with customization or anything. People simply valued their creations more because they made them. Now, why is knowing this important? For one, it can help you be a more conscious buyer. Marketers know that when consumers make things themselves, it will lead to them valuing those things more, so they incorporate it in their products at higher prices. Second, it can lead to better behavior change. In one study, it was shown that by having kids join their parents in cooking meals, they were more likely to eat and enjoy their vegetables. Lastly, just like we love creations that we make ourselves, we also love our own well-thought-out ideas in the same way. By being aware of this, we can take into account that we might be overvaluing the brilliance of our thoughts just because they're ours, and then consider others' thoughts and ideas more. So now you have something to think about next time you need furniture from IKEA. Have you ever experienced the IKEA effect? Let me know in the comments and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.